A car with a push-button start may not be functioning due to a dead battery, a faulty brake pedal depressor, or a key fob issue. To address these problems, the car can be jump-started or the battery replaced. To jump-start, begin by turning off the car. Then have another vehicle pull up nearby. Next, connect the positive jumper cables to the positive terminal of the dead battery, and the negative jumper cables to the negative terminal of the good battery. Start the working vehicle. Then attempt to start the car with the dead battery. Once started, remove the jumper cables and test the push-button start. If this doesn't work, a new battery from a reputable dealer may be necessary. If the issue persists, the brake pedal sensor may be faulty. Ensure the brake pedal is pressed firmly when attempting to start the car. If the sensor is indeed faulty, it should be replaced by a mechanic. As a last resort, the key fob battery may need to be replaced. This can be done by opening the battery compartment with a screwdriver, removing the old battery, and installing a new one. After replacing the key fob battery, test the push-button start again to see if the issue is resolved.